it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because you'll find new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I am so excited to share with you today my updated Easter coffee bar design. Now I did update it a little bit for spring after Valentine's Day. If you want to go check out the Valentine's Day video, I will link that down below for more inspiration. We also did a video and recently added shiplap to the back of the coffee bar too, and we were able to do that for under $20. So if you want to see that video, I will link that down below as well. And I was finally able to get out some of my Easter decor, and I had so much fun designing this new look. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the tour, and I'll also share with you all of the details of the design. So let's go ahead and get started. I love the look of my coffee mugs on the top shelves of my Valentine's Day coffee bar that I decided I wanted the same look for my Easter coffee bar, but unfortunately I have zero, not a single Easter Rae Dunn coffee mug, so I decided to make my own. This is a brand new set that you'll find in my Etsy shop. I'm going to be using one of those, and this set of 3 right here is a set that I already have in my Etsy shop, which is crossingmyheart.com, that I'll be using today. So these 4 decals right here are what are going to go on my Valentine's Day coffee mugs, so they become Easter coffee mugs for this coffee bar. So when you order decals from my Etsy shop, they come 100% ready to go. They have a paper backing and then a transfer sheet on top. You just peel those apart, you apply your decal to the front of your mug and take something hard and flat, rub all the air bubbles out before peeling the transfer tape off of the top, and you're left with a really nice and professional looking Rae Dunn inspired piece. And here's a look at the 4 Easter coffee mugs that were Valentine's Day. And now I'm going to move on and update my Rae Dunn canisters. I'm also going to turn these around to the back and use the other 2 brand new decals that you'll find in my Etsy shop, Bunny Treats and Jelly Beans. I'm also just going to apply these the same way. And I will make sure to put the link to these decals and my Etsy shop down in the description box below. So if you're interested in those, you can check those out there. And then I was able to add my new updated coffee mugs back up onto the top shelf where I had envisioned them. They look so cute with the little topiary in the middle, which is from the Target dollar spot. I also added my canisters down below. And like I said, you can go to crossingmyheart.com, which is my Etsy shop, to find these decals available for purchase. You'll also find lots more great stencils and decals there as well. And now on to my 2020 Easter coffee bar tour. So here's kind of a broad look at the whole space. I will also give you a look at the entryway, which sits right next to the coffee bar. I always love to go through that as well. We're going to start down below at the cabinet. I have a beaded garland Easter egg garland that is a tutorial. I will link that in the description box if you'd like to learn how to make that. I have more of my Rae Dunn collection in this cabinet, which is from IKEA. The baskets are from IKEA as well. This unit works out so perfectly for my collection and for the coffee bar, and it is so fun to decorate. The cabinet sits on top of a rug runner that I found on Amazon really inexpensively, and I'll make sure to link that down in the description box too if you're interested in that. It's such a great rug. It's neutral and it grounds the coffee bar so perfectly. Now moving to the top shelf of the cabinet, we have a mix of handmade and store-bought and antique items that all come together to make a really cute springtime vignette. The coffee maker I will also have in my coffee bar folder in my Amazon shop. I love this coffee maker. It's so cute and it makes a whole pot of coffee, which we definitely need. The other item here is my Bless the Lord, Oh My Soul coffee mug that I found at Hobby Lobby last year. A little story is Brian and I met at church and he was the drummer in the band. So this is a song he's played a lot and it was definitely one of my favorites. Behind that is a thrifted milk glass container that I put some raffia and some speckled eggs in. The bunny wood sign was one that I made a long time ago, along with the bunny trail sign, which I believe I have a tutorial on, and I'll link that down below too if you want to see how I made this distressed Rae Dunn inspired sign. And then on the other end is my Target Dollar Spot tiered tray with a few Rae Dunn items on it. This is a handmade Dollar Tree nest that I have a tutorial on. I have an antique railroad light cover, I believe that's what that is. It ties in the ball jars, which you'll see in just a little bit. I love that little pop of color. And next to it, I was able to find this beautiful vase. It was actually like a milk container that I popped some flowers from Michael's into. That's Rae Dunn. And then the candle is from Marshall's. I love the wood topper with the metal handle. It's just such a cute little accent piece, and the candle smells so good as well. Then moving up to the middle shelf, as I said, you'll see those ball containers over here, but on the one side I have another thrifted milk glass vase with some flowers. All the flowers are from Michael's if you're interested in those. The sign is a tutorial. I also have this decal available in my Etsy shop, so I'll link that down below. And it's sitting on a thrifted book that is the Little Women book, so it's an antique, and I love it. I found that for $1, and I thought it was a cute little riser for the sign. Next to that in the middle is a wood box that I built, and mason jars actually fit into it, but I flipped it upside down. You can see it has metal handles on the ends, so I'm just sort of using it as a riser, but it's super cute flipped over with things inside of it as well, so it kind of serves double duty for this. I also have my antique ball jars. I love the cobalt blue color, and they are flanked with some white porcelain bunnies, which I believe are from Hobby Lobby several years ago. And of course, again, you see those Rae Dunn canisters repurposed and turned into Easter decor. Moving up to the smaller shelves at the top, you'll see again those handmade Rae Dunn inspired coffee mugs, and in the middle is a Target Dollar Spot topiary on a Target Dollar Spot riser, and the little flower pots are from Michael's, where I got the flowers. Everything is so cute. I love the look of spring and the subtle pops of color against the white shiplap background. The metal tile piece in the middle, I just put a command hook on and hung a boxwood wreath from. And I always get questions about the lights. Those are hardwired in, and those are from Home Depot. And then moving on to the entryway that I said I would share as well. The sign at the top is from Hobby Lobby. I have mixed tile photos below that, and then a handmade hook board with hooks from Hobby Lobby. The bench is a trash to treasure, an upcycled piece that I made, and then the rug is from IKEA. I just added this cute little handmade bunny as a pop of Easter to this space. I have a tutorial on this. It is made from a t-shirt from the Dollar Tree, if you can believe that. I also have a tutorial for this wall pocket, which is a super cute and simple, easy thing to make for your home if you have a farmhouse style home. And then I mentioned that there are so many links to tutorials and accessories and the decals that I featured in today's video, so make sure you don't forget to check the description box below for a list of all of those. I would love to hear here, if you have a Ray Dunn collection, what is your favorite piece and what word is on it? Right now, my favorite is my wifey coffee mug that Brian surprised me with. We found the hubby one shopping one day and had been hunting and hunting for the wifey one, and he surprised me with it for Valentine's Day. So we are not hubby and wifey yet, but our wedding in June is fast approaching and I cannot wait. I hope that this coffee bar inspired you. Please take a second and give this video a thumbs up for me. If you haven't yet, you can click that subscribe button next to me. I'll have more Easter and spring DIYs linked below that you'll want to make sure to check out. And you can find me on Facebook and on Instagram for more inspiration. Thanks so much again, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.